Welcome to Sema4.ai Studio, where you can turn your ideas into ready-to-deploy agents. Today, we'll explore key features of the studio that enables you to build and test AI agents that automate complex tasks and enhance productivity across your enterprise. Before we dive into the studio, let's understand enterprise AI agents. These agents are designed to understand your full business context, including applications, data, and documents. They operate autonomously, making informed decisions and continuously improving through feedback and training. You can build two types of agents in the Sema4.ai Studio. First, conversational agents. These agents engage users through interactive natural language conversations. They respond to human-initiated interactions to answer questions, explore data, and execute tasks. Next, we have worker agents. These are autonomous agents which are triggered by specific events, such as the arrival of a new invoice, and manage end-to-end work processes, operating 24/7 to ensure continuous workflow management. Now that we understand enterprise AI agents, let's dive into the key features of Sema4.ai Studio. You can define your agents through natural language runbooks. They allow you to specify how your AI agents operate using plain English, no coding required. Runbooks act as the brain of your AI agent, outlining its objectives, instructions, and decision-making processes. Since runbooks use plain English, it is easier for business users to create and update AI agents as your processes evolve, without relying on technical teams. To further enhance your agent's accuracy, you can use knowledge files to provide essential information and context. Studio allows you to upload relevant files or documents that serve as your agent's internal knowledge base, enabling more precise and reliable results across various interactions of your agents. To power your agents, Studio supports leading large language models available through enterprise-grade providers, including OpenAI, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Bedrock. This flexibility allows you to choose the model that best fits your performance and cost requirements. You can switch between these models as you experiment, test, and refine your agents. Next, let's look at the Action Gallery, the fastest way to connect your agents to enterprise applications. The Action Gallery provides a wide range of pre-built actions for popular enterprise apps like SharePoint, HubSpot, and Google Workspace. These actions allow your agents to interact seamlessly with your enterprise apps and perform tasks. For more customized needs, you can import custom actions built by your team for applications like SAP, Workday, or any other apps your business relies on. Studio provides real-time visualization of your AI agent's thought process. This transparent reasoning enhances understanding and trust, showing you exactly how the agent plans, reasons, and makes decisions. It simplifies debugging and ensures your agents perform tasks as intended, boosting confidence in their actions. With Sema4.ai Studio, you can build, test, and validate your AI agents directly on your laptop. This dedicated, isolated workspace right on your local machine enables you to experiment freely and iterate quickly. This local-first approach ensures that your sensitive business logic and data remain within your control at all times. When you're ready to deploy your agents, you can connect your Studio to Control Room, which provides enterprise-grade security, seamless scalability, and complete lifecycle management for your AI agents. It allows you to deploy your agents securely within your company's virtual private cloud, ensuring all data remains within your infrastructure. Sema4.ai Studio empowers you to build powerful AI agents that drive enterprise productivity. We invite you to explore Studio and turn your ideas into agents. Happy building!